guys, Dolly here. Welcome back to Gypsy Rose Papery. Today I have another journal flip through for you, and for those of you out there that are new, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos from me. So this book is for Dannie, and Dannie's interests and kind of like the things that she wanted in this book were Hecate, divination, unicorns, and then she also is practicing something called a fairy tradition. Fairy, F-E-R-I, I believe is how you spell it. And so I kind of delved into that, and it seemed like that had also a lot to do with like astral travel and that kind of thing. So the book on the front here kind of has that Hecate vibe, and I use white flowers because white is a color association with that goddess. She picked the fabric. And so I thought it was interesting because, again, it's sort of that dark and light. So there's flowers, but there's also black and snakes and skulls. And then this is just a tag here, very astral-like. And we'll just jump right in. So inside looks like this, lots of tabs. And we have here some ephemera. And there's a lot of female imagery in here, lots of kind of celestial imagery, but with little hints of like that darker side. And so you'll see like a mix of both throughout, and all the digitals in here will be linked in the description box. So again, lots of beautiful imagery, sort of like that celestial type imagery, but also kind of mixing in a little bit with divination. And I think she also said that she is a death doula, so you'll see a lot of skulls and skeletons in here as well. Very sort of modest, or rather subtle. They're not like in your face, but they're kind of worked in to everything. And I will try to not talk too much. I did do a lot of sewing in this book as per my usual. This is that alchemy paper, I think, by Santeria. And did some glassine envelopes. And we have some unicorns and some more. This one is that it's another Santeria paper stack. For the life of me, I could never remember the name. I call it the spirit animal stack because I can't remember. This is one of my favorite paintings ever. And I still have to add the charms, so I didn't get a chance. I wanted to film this video while the light was still good. So please forgive the charms not being on here, but they will be on here when I send the book out. And then here we have some more really pretty ephemera. I did some spraying here and there, lots of writing space as per usual. Here we have some more of that astral imagery, and here we have some more ephemera. It's got at least 10 pockets because every signature has 2 pockets, 2 deep pockets, and then on top of that I tried to add a few more, so it's got at least 10. Which I think is important because, you know, we like to keep stuff in our books. We like to fill it with stuff. So I really like to include a lot of pockets. And then the ephemera, if you feel like the book is too full, you could just remove the ephemera. That's what I do personally when I get books. Is I just, oops, I got a little bend there. I just like to remove the ephemera and keep it somewhere separate, so that way I have it for maybe another book if I feel like it would go better. So that's just my own tip. But in here, she did want a woof in here. So I have this journaling card and then these. And that is it for this journal. I really had fun making this. I have so much fun kind of making mosaics with the pressed flowers. I think they add a lot, and I love this picture so much. And so again, I will link everything, all the digitals, down in the description box. Danny, I really hope you like this, and thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.